Alright, we're going to try this. I've never done a actual build video, that's what I'm going to call this. So today we're going to make this little garden fence. Put it on your flower beds. Wire on the back of it stapled. So I cut all these the same size. They're almost 5 inches. Start with the first one, and this wire that I'm using is wire that they use to hang drop ceilings with. It's pretty pliable and you can move it around very good, so it helps so when you want to straighten it out. So start with the first one, about an inch down from the corner of that dog ear. I got 1/2 inch staples that I'm shooting into it so they won't go all the way through. Just kind of pull your wire straight, keep it straight. Straddle the wire with your staple and make sure you get it in there. Don't want to cooperate. Lay the next piece down, and I got a little 1/2 inch spacer that I'm using to space it. Make sure I got enough space on it. Just try to straighten your wires straight as possible. All these are pieces left over from building the cedar flower boxes. So I'm like, well, what can I do with them? So I made a little makeshift fence, and the wife seemed to like it, so I'm kind of in between jobs today, doing things, so
Thank you very much to Michael and Oakley. Wanted to hear that Metallica today.
figured
I know he's
I would do this for her.
Sonic Temple Music
She
Festival.
likes her flowers.
With a shot at that in the 5 o'clock hour. Metallica featured on that music festival lineup with 2 unique and different shows.
Also added some longer pieces, and I made these today. Ran them through the planer, got them nice and smooth, shaped out, and I'm gonna go back and put a couple small screws in the back to give that shelf a little more support. So I'm just trying to get rid of some scraps, get it out of my way. I'm getting too much down here, and it's a pain in the ass to have. I got this crown stapler at Harbor Freight. It's an 18 gauge crown stapler. And it was on the return shelf that somebody returned it. And normally that thing's like $40, $50, something like that. And I got it for $19.95 or something. It was stupid cheap. Brought it home and it wouldn't shoot staples. They kept sticking in the magazine. So, being me, I like to mess with stuff anyway. I took it apart, found a couple burrs where the staples slide down on it. Got me a little flat file and filed it down, and it's worked perfect ever since. So I can't complain. In the meantime, while I was doing that, I found another one on eBay, a wind stapler for $13, free shipping. So I bought it just to have a backup. This Pierce does a pretty good job. I'm not complaining about it. It's nice little stapler. So I suggest if you're doing any shopping at Harbor Freight, always check their deals aisle out. Move that around so you can see a little bit better. Because sometimes you can get some pretty good deals. I buy all my clamps at Harbor Freight. They're really, really good. As you can see, one here in the corner is one of the squeezy clamps. I've had no problems with them. They go on sale once in a while. And they work very well for me. I've got 6-inch ones, 12-inch ones, 18-inch ones, and 24-inch ones, and 36-inch ones. So this is like 47 inches completely. So I'm going to cut it here at the end. Fold this over. Flatten it out. Throw another staple on it so that end stays bent over. So we'll go back here. We're going to put a second row wire on. The second row makes it better. And the way I'm planning to hold this down is I'm going to get some 1/2-inch plumbing PV copper pipe. Pieces and put them on the back so I can drive a straight rod through it or something to hold it in place so it'll stand up. So I just went, I don't know, a couple inches down, something like that. I'll take that out here. So if you build flower boxes in the spring and you got leftovers and you want to make something, I don't know if he was sell or not. I've never even thought about that. They might. It's people like decorative things around their flower beds. It don't have to be exactly precise. It's just to go around the flower bed. And most people's not going to go out there with a tape measure and start measuring things and say, oh, your 1/2-inch space is only 3/8. So if they do, smack them in the head and send them home. Three staples in each one hold that wire pretty well. To the end here. And staple in the end of it. He's up here, I gotta see close this. Found them down in the cedar so there's no edge up there. And there you go. You can bend it. You got a corner to go around. You can make it straight. However you want to do it. But that's the gist of it. So that's what I'm doing today. Just messing around doing stuff like this. Trying to get rid of some scraps. I've been making some Christmas stuff. So we gotta get it painted. Get it in the, get it for sale. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one.